What's up, boyos? It's your boy, the Pink Fury, coming at you again with another episode of I've Lost Control of My Life. I know that it doesn't make sense because, first off, it's not midnight, it's about 5 p.m. right now, and we're not really losing control this time. We're just cooking, actually. But you know, I thought it's a nice name for the series, so we're just gonna keep it on. And today, we're gonna be cooking something very, very special and dear to my heart. Today, we're gonna be doing spaghetti. Spaghetti!
It's 4 o'clock in the morning. Why on earth are you making chocolate pudding?
Because I've lost control of my life.
Okay, so in terms of ingredients, for the pasta, we're gonna need, obviously, spaghetti, and we're gonna need some bay leaves and some chunky salt. Some chunky salt. And for the meat, you know, you just get some grounded up meat, you know, just like that, and some prego. You know, just get some prego, that's fine. And after all that, we're just gonna need some Parmesan cheese in that. And about the stuff we're gonna use to make the food, actually, we're gonna need one of these, one of these, one of these. Well, I mean, this one is I guess you could use whatever pot, but this one is actually a spaghetti making pot or whatever. It's a drain, so it's pretty damn cool. And one big boy pot for the meat and the stuff. So all right, let's begin. Okay, so what we're gonna do first is fill the spaghetti pot with water all the way up to this point right here. So here we go. And there we go, that's good enough. Okay, so next step is we remove the drain and whatever, and we just add 2 of them bay leaves, like so. And then we push them down again with the drain. You say, you could have done this before putting the water in. And to that I say, you're correct, and I forgot. But let's keep going because, as you can see, nothing bad happened. Alright, so now we're gonna sprinkle some chunky salt, like we were some sort of wizard making a brew or something. Just like that. Hey, look at that, that looks good. Alright, and now we add the spaghetti. Just like so. Oh god, it's not coming out correctly. Okay, no problem. I'll just grab it by here. See? That's what's up. It's one-handed cooking, my boys. You see? Nothing bad happened. We just push a little bit down there. There we go. Alright, and now our spaghetti is set up and we just start it. We start a flame and wait for it to boil. Now that our spaghetti is in preparation of boiling, we're gonna move on to the meat. Now for the meat, it's actually a pretty simple procedure. You just take a little bit of cooking oil, you know, whatever, every house has a little bit of cooking oil. You just sprinkle it, a little bit of it, and you know, just sparse it up so it covers most area of what it can. And then you go and take your meat and put it in there. And like so, easy. Now before actually adding the sauce, we just gotta, you know, start a flame and get that meat golden brown and shit. So right now, while you wait for your meat to start heating up, you can just stick your utensils and start getting chop at it. Just chop at it away like so. And now we play the waiting game. Alright, so now that your meat is nice and brown and juicy, we're gonna add the sauce. We take the prego right now and just go at it. Dump it all in there. And after that, we start mixing. And you know, we're just gonna, you know, put the cap on the top and we'll come back to it a little bit later. at this point is pretty much just waiting, so you can crack a cold one or do whatever. You watch YouTube videos, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Twitter, you know, all that good shit. People be that's not good. Alright. Okay. Now we can lit it up and, you know, a little bit of water fell. Just water though. So yeah, the meat looks about ready. So we're just gonna this side right here and turn off the heat like so. And there we go. That's our meat ready and your sauce. All right, let's give it a little taste of it. Over here. Ooh, that's piping hot. Look at that. Pretty damn tasty. Let's check this out. And yeah, it looks fine. We turn off the heat. And now we drain it. There we go. That's drained. I couldn't show it on screen because I actually needed 2 hands to do it. But here we have our spaghetti and our meat. Now all we gotta do is serve. Here we go. I'll just get in there. I can't get a firm grasp on it. All right, there we go. Slippery. It's a very slippery boy. Just like so. Yeah. You know, one hand, no problem. Put it in there a little bit more. In the side, there we go. This one that fell off. Yeah, we got spaghetti. And now for the meat. Just like so. Finally, oh hello there. Kitty, get out of there. I'm cooking. Not right now. Kitty, move. And finally, we just add some Parmesan cheese on top of it. He's barking on the background. And there we go. Now for some glamour shots. And enjoy, fellers. I'll see you on the next one. Ooh. Oh, that's fucking tasty. That is very tasty. God damn.